Khoma Janelu, Namaskar. Here I am Tapati Simha from Nungshipi Imar Phiral. Again I have come up with a new video on learning Bishnupriya Manipuri. Today I am going to share some small sentences which will be very easy for you to learn, such as don't go. Don't means na. Go means jana. Don't go means na jega. Come soon. Come means I. Soon means chalakko. Come soon means chalakko I. Sit here. Sit here. Sit means bow. Here means epithet. Sit here means epithet bow. Don't cry. Don't means na, you know that. Cry means kadani. So when we say don't cry, na kadi. Don't cry means na kadi. Don't laugh. Na ahi. Laugh means ahani. You know that don't means na. Don't laugh. Na ahi. One more sentence. Don't sit here. Don't means na. Sit means bohani. Here means epithet. So it will be don't sit here means epithet na bohi. One more sentence. Come again. Come again. Again means borrow. Come means ahani. Come again means borrow ahis. Borrow ahis. Don't come again. Arta nahis. Don't come again. Arta nahis. Come again means borrow ahis. Don't come again means arta nahis. Give me. Give me. Give means they. Me means more. Give me means more they. Give him. Him means tare. Give him means tare they. Don't give him. Tare nadi. Tare de, give him. And when we say don't give him, tare nadi. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go means jaga. Ahead means agueya. Go ahead means agueya jaga. Let's go. Let's means hat. Go means jigga. Here in this sentence, go means jigga. Let's go means hat jigga. Call him. Call means dahani. Him means tare. Call him. Tare dak de. Tare dak de. Don't call him. Tare nadahi. One more sentence. Don't worry. Hinnapi. Don't worry. Hinnapi. Come tomorrow. Aibo kali ahis. Tomorrow means aibo kali. Come tomorrow. Aibo kali ahis. You know that come means ahani. So when we say come tomorrow, it will be aibo kali ahis. One more sentence. I will not come tomorrow. I will not come tomorrow. Tomorrow means aibo kali. I will not come means me. You know that I means me. Me aibo kali tomorrow. Aibo kali. Naido or nahito. Both are correct. Me aibo kali nahito. I will not come tomorrow. The next one is can you means ti partita. You know that you means ti. Can means parani. Can you ti partita? Can you give me? When we say in this way, give me, I have already told. Can you give me? Ti more dena partita. Give me means more de. Can you give me means ti more dena partita. Yes, I can. Yes means hi. I can. I means me. Can means parto. So it will be yes, I can. Hi, me, parto. So these are some small sentences. I hope it will be very easy for you to learn these small sentences. Come again, baro ahis, don't go, najiga, sit here, epet bo, let's go, hat jika. So I hope it's very easy for you. Let me conclude today. Meet you again. Dhanyabad. Namaskar. Habihan Khobaya Thai. Take care.